Let's make soft, moist, delicious whole wheat banana cake. Take 3 ripe bananas in a blender jar. Add half a cup of flavorless cooking oil. Half a cup of sugar. 1/4 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Blend into a smooth paste until the sugar dissolves completely. Let's prepare dry ingredients. Take 1½ cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, sift through the sieve, give a quick mix, pour in the blended mixture. Mix with the help of a spatula. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Meanwhile, quickly hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Delicacies in DIY to stay updated with my upcoming yummy food videos. Add some chopped nuts of your choice, some Tutti frutti. It's totally optional. Give a quick mix. Grease a cake tin with oil or melted butter. Place butter paper and grease it too. Pour the cake batter. Spread evenly. Tap for a few times. Top with some tutti frutti or chopped nuts. Bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven. Check with the help of a toothpick after 35 minutes. If it comes out clean, the cake is baked perfectly. If the batter sticks to it, then bake for 5 more minutes. Pass knife through the edges once the cake is cooled completely. Unmold the cake. Remove the butter paper. Flip the cake carefully. Cut into pieces. This whole wheat banana cake is so soft, moist and delicious. You will definitely love it. Do give it a try and share with me in the comment section how you liked it. I would love to know from you.